A record collection outruns your memory long before it outruns your shelves. You stand in a shop genuinely unsure whether you already own this one, and whether the copy at home is the one with the split seam. This is a workbook that remembers for you and does the arithmetic collectors actually argue about. It is 7 tabs that feed each other: a collection, a want list, a grading guide, a play log, a page for your gear, and a dashboard that counts all of it. Plus a start here guide, a grading and crate digging playbook, and a printable pack. Most trackers are a list. This one starts where collectors start, with condition. You grade the record and the sleeve separately because they wear differently and they are worth differently. Then you type one number, what a near mint copy is worth to you, and the workbook hands you what your copy is worth in the condition it is actually in. Here's the scale it uses. Near mint is the reference. A very good plus copy is worth about half of it, and a very good copy about a quarter, which is the convention collectors have used for decades. So a record you would pay $80 for near mint in very good media and a very good plus sleeve works out at 18. And every one of these multipliers is an ordinary cell you can change. The want list is built to be used standing up. At home you set 2 numbers, what a near mint copy is worth and the most you will pay. Then in the shop you type the grade of the copy in front of you and what they are asking and read the verdict. Over your ceiling is checked first, and the Own It column checks the record against your collection, so you find out you already have it on another format before the money leaves your hand. Log what you actually put on. Sides are enough. The workbook turns them into minutes, looks up the artist and title from the catalog number, and rolls it all back onto your collection as plays, cost per play, and whether a record is in rotation or gathering dust. The same log feeds your gear. Every play adds to the stylus hours on that deck, counted against the rating you type in for your own cartridge. A worn stylus is not just a gear problem. It wears the records you play with it, and that is one cost you cannot undo. All of it lands on a dashboard that counts itself. Records owned, what you have paid, what it is worth at the grades you gave it, how many you have never played, your biggest gains, what is gathering dust, and which deck is closest to needing a new stylus. It is not just a spreadsheet. There is a Start Here guide that walks through every tab and a playbook on grading a record yourself, reading a grade on someone else's listing, working out which pressing you are holding, and keeping the ones you own. And for the days you would rather hold a pen, a printable pack, a print and fill inventory, a play log, a gear log, and a pocket want list card with a grading quick reference to cut out and keep behind it. Prefer Google Sheets? Click the link in your download and choose Make a Copy. The whole workbook lands in your drive with every drop-down, color, and live count already working. No importing, nothing to rebuild. One file, opening natively in Excel, in Google Sheets, and in LibreOffice, and you own it outright. No account, no subscription, no app deciding what to show you, and nothing that takes your catalog with it when it shuts down. It does arithmetic on numbers you give it. It is not an appraisal and not a price guide. What it is a file you keep that will still open in 10 years. The Vinyl and Music Collection Tracker from Ardent Workshop.